Fellow Homo sapiens. Now, today is Purple Day, hence the top. Today is an annual day for talking about and educating people about the epilepsies. I have an epilepsy. Somebody else you might know has an epilepsy. If you think you don't know anybody with one, then they probably just haven't told you, because it is that common. 1 in 26 people will develop epilepsy at some point in their lifetime. There are, there are about 60 different types of seizure. Not everybody shakes during a seizure. Some people have epilepsy from birth or even prior to birth, actually. Some people develop it from traumatic brain injury, from stroke, from alongside Alzheimer's, brain tumours, meningitis. There's often a genetic factor. Plus heaps of people have seizures, but they don't actually know they are having seizures and aren't yet diagnosed. And also, if you're interested in talking about mental health, and it's great if you are, well, you're already talking about a big part of what forms epilepsy, because the mental health part is a huge part of epilepsy. So you're already halfway through to the room of epilepsy. So let's continue that conversation. I mean, if you know something about, as I said, mental health or autism or cerebral palsy or intellectual disabilities or movement disorders, well, guess what? Heaps of those people also have epilepsy, and vice versa. But I have something actually extra special for today. I have been talking to the fabulous Cassidy Megan, the founder of Purple Day today, who is on the Epilepsy Sparks Insights podcast with me. So make sure you check out the Epilepsy Sparks Insights podcast with Purple Day founder Cassidy Megan today, called Purple Day Openness.